Welcome to Skyrise Academy. If you haven't yet subscribed to our channel, do subscribe it to get notification regarding important videos which will be of immense help in your UPSC preparation. Today we'll be discussing PM Swarnidhi. It's a welfare scheme for the vulnerable sections of the population by the central government. It is covered under GS paper 2. So why it was in news recently? So under this scheme, which is for the street vendor, and its full form is Street Vendors Atmanirbhar Nidhi Scheme, Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs has entered into an MOU, Memorandum of Understanding, with Swiggy, a leading food ordering and delivery platform, to bring the street vendors online on the digital market and open up through to a lot more customers. So it will give the street vendors online access to thousands of customers and help them grow their business. It will radically transform their businesses, right? It is one of the brilliant ideas to really help the street vendors. It is going to change their life. So scheme was started in June 2020 for providing affordable working capital loan to the street vendors. It is being implemented by the Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. And the need for this scheme is the lockdown due to the COVID-19. So it targets to benefit 50 lakh street vendors, and a loan up to 10,000 will be given, which is repayable in the monthly installment during the period of 1 year. It is valid till March 2022. SIDB is the technical partner for the implementation of this scheme, and it is managed through the Credit Guarantee Fund Trust for Micro and Small Enterprises. So let's see its progress. Over 2 lakh loan applications have been received under the Swarnidhi scheme, and of these 2.4 lakh loans has been already disbursed. There it is very important from the prelims and mains point of view. You should know the features of the scheme, and from the mains point of view, the question can be discuss the significance of Swarnidhi scheme, right? If you have any queries, you can write us in the comment section. Thank you. Be safe.